Financial Commissioner Railways, our guest of honor, Shri Akhileshwar Prasad, retired Member Finance Telecom Commission, Shri Rajeshwar Upadhyay, internationally acclaimed management consultant, our guest speaker for today, the entire IRAS fraternity. A very good evening and welcome to this IRAS Day 2013. Allow me to begin the proceedings today with the immortal lines from The Brook by Lord Alfred Tennyson. For men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. As the sun sets on this last day of November, we have gathered here today to celebrate the glorious journey which dawned very many years ago, 1929 to be precise. We have gathered here to celebrate the memories of our founding fathers, to rededicate ourselves to the first principles, and to rediscover the first flush of youth which has brought us thus far and will keep us going for the future. For we may come and we may go, but the flag of IRAS will keep flying forever. The journey has been long. The journey has been eventful. And the journey has been very enriching. The personalities have been tall. The challenges have been many. And the triumphs, not very easy. But the tribe of IRAS officers has done it, and has done it with propriety, with proficiency, and with productivity. The story of the IRAS is the story of Indian Railways. The challenges of merging the state-owned and private railway companies into a departmental conglomerate, the initiation of the practice of financial advice to the executive, modernization of accounting methods, to name a few of our triumphs, are landmark achievements of the past. The emergent challenges of possible structural changes due to restatement of economic policies, of infusion of private capital in railways, of ensuring the financial health of railways, accounting reforms, these are few of the challenges which call us to harness our collective genius to create landmarks for the future. It is a momentous occasion. The synergy of this gathering today on this IRAS Day spells a promising future. We rededicate ourselves to the future and we seek divine blessings. I quote from the Brihad Aryank Upanishad, Asto ma sadagamaya, tamso ma jyotirgamaya, mrityor ma amritam gamaya. Lead me from the Sat to the Sat. Lead me from darkness to light. Lead me from death to immortality. I now request Shri Rajendra Kashyap, our Financial Commissioner Railways, our guest of honor, Shri Akhileshwar Prasad, retired Member Finance Telecom Commission, Shri Rajeshwar Upadhyay, our guest speaker for the day, Shri Arjun Rakshit, additional Member Finance, and Shri P.V. Vaidyalingam, Advisor Accounts, to kindly light the ceremonial lamp. The lighting of the lamp is a curiously global cultural practice. The eternal light is central to one of the many stories behind the Jewish celebration of Hanukkah. Christian churches also have at least one lamp burning continuously before the tabernacle, not only as an ornament for the altar, but also for the purpose of worship. Light symbolizes knowledge. Knowledge is the everlasting wealth that is capable of removing ignorance, just as light removes darkness. An oil lamp is lit to bow down to the knowledge of the greatest, to knowledge as the greatest of all forms. The oil in the lamp symbolizes our vasanas or vices, and the cotton wick, the ego. When lit by the spiritual knowledge, the vasanas get slowly exhausted, and the ego too perishes. The flame of a lamp always burns upwards, and similarly, one should acquire such knowledge that takes us towards higher ideals. I request Ashtanand from the 2010 examination batch to kindly render the invocation song. Ashtanand.
Thank you, sir. Good evening to all. Sir, I am going to present the favorite bhajan of Mahatma Gandhi, written by Narsibhai Mehta. वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने रे कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने पर दुखे उपकार करे तो ये मन अभिमान ना आड़े रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने रे कहिए सकल लोक मां सौड़े वंदे निंदा न करे के नीरे वाच काच मन निश्चल राखे वाच काच मन निश्चल राखे धन धन जननी तेनी रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने रे कहिए समदृष्टि ने तृष्णा त्यागे पर स्त्री जेने मात रे जिह्वा थकी असत्य न बोले जीवा थकी असत्य न बोले पर धन नव जले हाथ रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए मोह माया व्यापे नहीं जेने दृढ़ वैराग्य जेना मन मारे राम नाम शू ताली रे लागी राम नाम शू ताली रे लागी सकल तीरथ तेना तन मारे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए वडलो ने कपट रहित छे काम क्रोध निवार्या रे भड़ नर सयो तेनु दर्शन करता भड़ नर सयो तेनु दर्शन करता कुल एको तिर तार्या रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने रे कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे वैष्णव जन तो वैष्णव जन तो वैष्णव जन तो तेने रे कहिए
Thank you, Ashtanand. That was a really soulful rendition of this bhajan. And what a Spartan prayer this one. Not for glory, not for riches, not for food, only spiritual tripti. Thank you so much. It's now my privilege and honor to call on stage one of the most senior members of the service, Smt Rashmi Kapoor of the 1976 examination batch, to kindly deliver the welcome address. Ma'am, Rashmi Kapoor.
There's been a nice ambience work created by the way Vikas has been speaking. Respected FC Railways, guest of honor Shri Akhileshwar Prasad, management consultant of international repute Mr. Rajendra Upadhyay, who is our special speaker for today, all the senior retired IRAS officers, all the serving IRAS officers and their spouses, ladies and gentlemen, this tradition of celebrating IRAS Day on the last Saturday of the year of November started last year for the first time to commemorate the momentous decision taken by the British Parliament, as we know, in November 21, to form the Convention Committee headed by Mr. Ackworth to look into the structure and the purpose of railway finances in India. And acceptance of this committee's recommendation eventually led to the separation of railway finance from the general finance, and as we all know, to the eventual formation of the Indian Railway Account Service in the year 1929. IRAS is turning 84 years now, and we have gathered to celebrate the occasion. On this day, we have two very eminent speakers, Shri Akhileshwar Prasad and Shri Upadhyay, and like all of you, I am keen to listen to them and what they have to say today and learn from their experience. And I would not stand between the speakers and the audience anymore. So I take this opportunity to welcome all of you to this celebration of the IRAS Day 2013. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Your words have really started us for the day, and I'm sure we're all looking forward to a great evening